Very nice. Does everyone sign these back? Yeah? Cool. Right, so leave this one's yours. Everyone make a circle bit bigger and knee back here. If you can stand in the middle for me. Yeah? Right, and turn around and face that way. And Paige, if you shuffle back a little bit, darling. Shuffle right next to Olivia. There we go. Everyone get a circle. So, we got two, yeah? Right, two. I'll start out. So we've got your pictures. Oh, I need to drop it down. So we've got your pictures and your big rings. So let's have a look. I'm sure you can have a look. I can't see. And we're going to get everyone else in the shop soon as well. So are you ready to sing for your loudest voices, yeah? Ladies and gentlemen, we have two very special girls in store today.